Yo, what's up guys? So here we go, another update. Day 8 was yesterday. So as I do these things, as you know, I follow up the day after. So if any of you have seen any of my lives recently, I've been doing this a lot, right? So I've been doing that, trying to get the ownership of hashtag jazz hands. That's what it is. So anyway, right, I've literally just finished watching what Russell did yesterday. So today I'm just going to go through it. Remember, these are your shortcuts so that you don't have to go through and watch everything that Russell does. If you don't want to, that's fine. I will be here every day to follow up. But if you do and you still want that little shortcut together with extra stuff that I give you guys, then this is the place to do it, right? So what I'm going to do is going to run through what Russell said, and then for my own accountability, I'm going to go through the stats of my Facebook business page, show you what I've been posting and also how that's been going as well. So nail biter over there. Right, so day 8. How do we start selling now? Selling can be completely scary, right? I don't know if any of you have ever had experience of selling face to face with people, especially like cold calling. It's just horrendous, nightmare, hated it. Thankfully, I've never had to do that myself, but the idea of selling itself can be quite daunting. Now, I had 24 years where I was selling personally on a one-to-one basis in my business. You know, but it wasn't really, it was more like a warm sales environment, because I would be invited to someone's place of residence or their business to go and show them my products, and that's where the sales procedure would happen, right? So let's go over the sales messaging you can use in your page to help selling your product or service for you, right? So you need to be unique in what you're doing, because there could be 101,000 people selling the exact same product or service as what you are. So trying to get through the noise of selling what other people are doing is kind of like where we're all at right now. So again, Russell went over the structure of the funnel that we're going to be using, which is a sales page, which is our flagship sexy offer, order bump, OTO1, OTO2. Now the funnel structure doesn't change. It's proven, it works, trust it, try and stick to it as much as you possibly can. So some of you I know that might be saying, well, I can't sell my product for $7. It's impossible. You know, people, you know, I make no money on that. It costs more than that to produce and all that good stuff, right? And I understand that, right? Digital products, that's fine. You can sell it for whatever you want. But if it's a physical product, then you're going to struggle, obviously, because you need to have some sort of profit built in. So the thing is with Russell, it was kind of like saying that it doesn't really matter what that price is. You have to adjust that to your market. So if it's like whether you can sell a physical product for $27, $47, or even $97, that doesn't matter, right? It's what's going to make it work is how it's going to make everything profitable, and that's the structure of the offer and the funnel, remember? And once we've done this once, then the next funnel is going to be better. Well, why? Because you've already been through the process. You've learnt the skills. This is the whole idea of this process. The 30 days, the one funnel away challenge, is to give you those skills to go forward and do even better next time. So right now, we're not saying that this won't hit first time, because it might, but what we're saying is don't simply quit if you get to the end of the 30 days and it doesn't quite work out as well as you hoped, right? And when we talk about sales scripts right now, I'm going to come to this in a minute, because there's been a lot of, for me, over the years, there's been a lot of disparity in information when it comes to having on a sales page, whether you have a video or you don't have a video, okay, right? And this is going to be an interesting point for you, because last year, around this time last year, actually, January 2020, I launched a product, right? I was partnered with another guy. I launched the product and it had a video on the sales page, and the conversion rates for that were pretty decent, right? Considering like it was people coming straight to the page. It was a $7 product. We converted around 20%, right? Now that's pretty decent. Now, if you go against that and think, right, okay, well, what if it was just a product? So it was an e-com product or whatever, and it was just an image. Now, by using a funnel, you're going to be able to add the extra value. You're going to be able to increase your average cart value by adding the upsells, right? And if you were just selling on Shopify, you would, I mean, you can go and check this out. The average Shopify store converts at about 1.9%, which is shit, right? So just think about that for a second, okay? Right, so if you look into the notes of this video, you're going to see, you're actually going to see a link I post there. In fact, I've posted a couple of links. One of these books you can't readily get, right? So I've had a link to it for a while and I used it to massive effect. It's the 108 split test book that Russell released a few years ago. Now I have this book, I've utilized that, the information within that, and it's something pretty incredible. So as we're building out our funnels, you can implement these split tests to make your conversions go even higher, right? Now, over the next week, I'm going to give you guys something that's going to make a lot of difference to your sales, right? Now, that's just a teaser. I'm not releasing it right now because there's a fee involved and I want to make sure that you guys are well ahead in what you're doing, right? So the 108 split test book, it costs $7. Go and get it. There's a link there in this video itself. It is an affiliate link. I think I might actually get about $1 commission for it. So if you think a book like that is going to help you with your conversions, then by all means go and get it. Also as well, in the show notes, what am I talking about? In the comments of this video, right, in the description of the video, there is also the link to go and get one of Russell's other products. Again, this is another $7 offer, which is over 100 lead funnel templates. Now, these are great, right? I've actually studied each and every one of these and went through. It took me all weekend to have a look at this. I challenge you to if you can't find something that will work for your business to help you use it as a basis, whether it's to get a lead or to have a sales page, then I will give you the $7 back. No questions asked. I'll PayPal it into your account. Go and buy this right now. It's another $7. So what I'm asking you to do is get the 108 split test, get the lead funnel templates. So you're going to be out $14, but let's face it, it's a drop in the ocean, and for what you're getting right now is just unreal. So you might as well get it anyways. I've also put a Clickfunnels link there for a 14-day free trial, because from today or tomorrow, we're going to be starting building funnels. So you're going to need to utilize that 14-day free trial as much as you possibly can, okay? And this is the whole thing. I personally want you to have a funnel finished and getting traffic by the time your 14-day trial ends. That's my goal. That's what I'm here for. This is why I show up every day for you guys, okay? So go and get your trial right now. If you've already got a ClickFunnels account, you are golden, and there may be something extra we can do later on down the line. But for right now, that's what we're going to do. And I put the one pager on there as well. So let me just share my screen real quick, because as I said before, I am having personal accountability with what I'm doing on my Facebook business page. So if you can see my screen, that's great, awesome sauce. Let me just make sure that is nice and big for you guys. So let's go through what I've been doing. So when did I start this? I think that was just an uploaded video, but still, that was something there. Right, so I changed that the 12th, but it's only been a couple of days, right? So conversation starter. Video, photo, again, it's just a picture I found online, to be honest with you. Another conversation starter, Facebook live video, photo, right? So that is the process. Remember, we talked about the content that we're putting out there. So photo, video, conversation starter, and rotating it around those 5 points that we can use around our business. So how has it done? Let's take a look. I'm just going to move stuff out of the way here. So I'm going to look at the insights and see how that's actually done over the last few days. So I'll just grab a drink quick. If you can hear any background noise, it's my computer just telling me to have a nightmare with itself. I don't know what's going on there, but still. Anyway, right, so last 7 days, this is what I do. I'm going to take a screenshot of this and put it into my own little comments on the group itself, because, you know, I am being accountable to myself. I'm going through this stuff with you guys as well. So we've got actions on page 4, page views 37, post reach 167, page likes 3, post engagement 128. I cheated there, I'm going to tell you that in a minute. Videos 62 videos, oh no, 62 video views. Okay, followers 6. Right, so let's get this on. I'm just going to put that back on me. I'm going to share with you a little secret. Okay. Now, Facebook actually promotes your content more where the more actual engagement your video or your post gets. So when I've been going live on here, I've been going live using this right onto Facebook, but then it appears on here. So if I go to my Facebook business page, right, let's check this out. Let's just play that. I'm going to turn that right down. Right, so that was a video that I posted. Now, if you notice down the bottom here, there's all these little icons, yeah? You can see this? I can physically press the engagement buttons myself. Which does what? Well, you might argue it does bugger all, but it increases the engagement on that post. So there's a secret hack for you. Now, whether or not Facebook is going to tell me off or hurt my account by doing this, I don't know. But you can have a look at your own live videos if you're doing live video on Facebook, on your Facebook business page, and go ahead and click those little hearts, click those little thumbs up, click those little care, you know, laughing buttons and all that stuff. You can go ahead and click all that yourself, and it might, again, experiment here, right? Jazz hands, remember. It might help you as far as getting your Facebook business page reach out there. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just about to take the picture of this now, take a screenshot, stick it into the group. So it's my own accountability. I want you guys to follow along because that's the whole point of it. And I will catch you all again tomorrow. And don't forget, if you have any questions, wherever you are in your journey, whatever you're doing right now, post it into the group. Let's share together, let's grow together, let's build together, let's be successful together, okay? So let's go, let's do it, and I'll catch you guys later.